With your printhead moved over to the left hand side, we start by removing the dampers. Have some tissue to hand as you'll want to wrap them up as you remove them. This will prevent any ink from getting inside the printer and prevent any mess in your work area. With your dampeners removed from the printhead, wrap them in tissue to ensure no ink leaks anywhere and secure them with an elastic band. We then recommend putting these across the back to ensure they're out of the way. Locate the 4 screws that secure the printhead, 2 at the front, and if we move the ribbon cables, you'll see the 2 at the rear. We need to remove these using the included screwdriver. Make sure you hold onto these screws as we will be using them to put the new printhead in. With all 4 screws removed from the printhead, you can pull the printhead out of the printer. Remove the ribbon cables from the underneath gently and place the printhead to one side securely. We recommend keep it in the box that the new printhead comes in. We want to check that the fabric tape located on the end of each of your ribbon cable isn't saturated with ink. Should it be dirty, we can remove it and affix new tape that you'll find in your spares kit. 6 to 7 centimeters of tape is what you'll need to wrap around the base. And we want to cover just before the blue bit of plastic. We'll now put the ribbon cables into the printhead. The left hand side number 1, with the printhead positioned like this, goes into the left hand side. We slide this into position and push until the silver bars have sunk into the printhead. We repeat the process for the right. Slide this ribbon cable into the connector. And once firmly secured, we can then put the printhead into the printer gently, ensuring that we don't hit the bottom of the printhead of any part of the printer casing. Turn the screw anti-clockwise to start with to ensure the thread hits the position, and then turn right, which is clockwise, to lock the screw down and keep the printhead in place. Once all 4 screws are in position, lock them down tightly, but be careful not to over tighten.